So today I'm going to share with you 5 deep inner shifts, inner habits that you can practice that will transform your life in the next 30 days profoundly. There are people who've gone from a life which is full of suffering and darkness to a life that is so peaceful and filled with beautiful experiences by creating such a profound shift on the inside that their life just had this glow up. You may have tried your hand at inner work for years and not seen much movement. In fact, this work of transforming your lives in such a short period of time through inner work is an art, and it is so difficult to master, so chaotic and confusing in the world of the internet and all this knowledge that we live in. But there is good news. Since I was 8 years old, I've studied so many philosophies, so many teachings and disciplines of transforming your life from the inside out, and I found the pattern. And if you practice precisely what I'm about to teach you today, it will work every single time. In case you haven't met, my name is Kartika Nair. I went from a life which is full of suffering, pain, low self-esteem, rejection, failure, mental health issues, to a life which is very successful, beautiful people, beautiful experiences. And I teach people around the world, 40,000 people around the world in my academy, to create this magic in their life. This is my passion, this is my jam. I can do this all day long. So let's begin. So habit number 1. This is practicing tomorrow today. What is this? When you're sitting in bed at night, you are going to choose how you want tomorrow to feel. So you're going to choose an emotion you want to feel tomorrow. For example, let's say the emotion you want to feel is peace and ease. Now you're going to choose 4 moments of tomorrow. So maybe the 4 moments of your day tomorrow is when you're going to office, when you're in office, when you're coming back home from office, and when you're on bed tomorrow night. You're going to put yourself into, let's say you're going to office in the bus. So you're putting yourself in the bus on the way to office, and you're going to produce this emotion of feeling pure peace. I am in the bus, but I'm feeling so much peace in my heart. Now you're going to really feel that peace. You don't need to know what happened between the morning and the bus ride that made you feel so peaceful. You don't need to know what happened at all. You just need to imagine that you're in the bus feeling so peaceful. Same thing you'll do for the other 3 moments of the day. So you're in office, but you're feeling so peaceful. You're in bed tomorrow night and you're feeling so peaceful. So as you practice this on the inside, here is what's going to happen is you'll notice over the next 30 days, many of your days are going to go according to the emotion you practiced the night before. If you don't do this, by default, your nervous system is going to end up making tomorrow just the way that it has done so far, which is with the emotions of fear, uncertainty, difficulty, and victimhood. So deliberately practicing the emotions tomorrow is going to create an emotional signature which is going to create shifts very, very soon. For some of you, when you start taking a score of how many days in the next 30 days went according to how you practiced it, you will notice that for some of you, from day 1, tomorrow is going to follow exactly how you practiced the night before. But for some of you, by day 7, by day 8, you're going to notice that your days are going exactly how you practiced it the night before. Obviously, doing this for the next 30 days is going to transform your entire life because your emotional signature is going to be very different. What you're attracting is going to be very different. Now, this point is absolutely magic if you couple it with habit number 2. Habit number 2 is asking the universe to show me how loved I am. This is just a simple ask that you ask the universe at any time. You can do this 1 time or 2 times in the day and then move on with your day. You'll notice that over the next few days, the universe will begin to show you moments in your day that represent feeling loved. You might get a compliment. You might suddenly realize memories where you were loved. Certain things will start happening where the vortex of love or the attractions of love is coming into your experience. I'll give you an example here. So students who've applied this, here's a few examples. This student says, my friends have reached out to me. I've had laughter-filled conversations with my manager. I had a long chat with a team member who I'd never spoken to before. People in my building have offered me help without me asking for it. I've had great conversations with my parents. Why this matters is because everything in our universe is created by our emotional state. So the more you start noticing these moments of love being shown to you by the universe, your emotional states will change. Your story about life will change, therefore transforming your life in the next 30 days. Now, the first 2 habits is impossible to practice if you don't do habit number 3. Habit number 3 is having an inner bath. What is an inner bath? Every day we have an outer bath because the grime and the dust of the day, it accumulates on our body and we feel icky. We feel if we don't clean our body, we'll get sick because it's not hygienic. We will stink up the place. We will not feel very good. It's the same reason why we want to have an inner bath as well. Now, inner bath means throughout the day, we have picked up a lot of the energies of the day, the stressors of the day, the heaviness of the day, pain from the day, all that is stuck in the inner body. So at night, before you sleep, when you can go close your eyes and go inside the body and start noticing where are all that heaviness, where is the heaviness, where is the stress stuck, where is the tension stuck, and you hug it and you breathe with it and you release it through your breath, you're basically cleaning and purifying yourself on the inside. Why does this work? Because I just shared, life reflects our emotional state. If we continue to hold this pain, this grime, this stress, this tension to the next day and the days after, it's like not having a bath for many days. Your life is going to stink up. You're going to attract a lot of ill things into your experience. You're definitely not going to feel good, not going to think good. And obviously that's going to manifest a life that's not good. But when you're cleansing yourself every day and you're feeling that peace again every day, your vortex changes and what you attract every day changes, thus transforming your entire life in the next 30 days. Now, this of course requires a little bit of knowledge on mindfulness. So I have a 4-hour resource called How to Change Your Life in Less Than 6 Months. It's a live class. You can find out the dates for it in the description. Now, nobody wants to sit and have this much pain to deal with every day. So we need to master habit number 4 to make this inner cleansing part so much easier. Habit number 4 is taking the attitude that whatever negative things happen in my life is just past karma burning away. I don't have to judge it. I don't have to resist it. It's just past karma. By karma, I'm not talking about my past life karma. If you want to think like that, you can. But I'm talking about my past thoughts. The past negative thoughts are manifesting as these experiences now. So if I don't judge them and I don't resist them, these moments will pass by without me having to suffer them. And now I have that space to create something new in my life. Why does this work? It's because every new moment in the universe is absolutely new. The universe is always in motion. Nothing is still. No new moment is the same as the previous moment. But if you judge and you resist the negative things happening in your life and the negative people in your life, you are, by giving it attention, calling your now past life, which happened a moment ago, is still past. You're calling that past into the present. And when you keep doing this, your entire life will keep repeating the same patterns again and again. That's why they say what you resist persists. But instead, if you take the attitude that any negative thing that happens to me is just my past thoughts burning away, just my karma burning away, it's over, it's getting over, it's done, you'll have that peace to focus on what you want to create instead of fighting what you don't want to have in your life. And when your focus in your vortex is so peaceful and you're focused on new things, your life will absolutely change in 30 days. Again, this is another field of mindfulness. You may want to check out the 4-hour resource in the description, the class that will help you go much deeper into transforming your life in less than 6 months. And now, both of this obviously clean your vibration, but how do we very deliberately create a positive new future for us? So now that comes with mastering habit number 5. The last habit is the most profound habit. And that habit is absolutely falling in love with the present moment. Now, Eckhart Tolle told us that true gratitude is not when you make a list of all the things you have in your life and try to feel grateful for having them. He said true gratitude is when you can be present in the present moment and fall in love with what you're experiencing. So which means right now when you're watching me in the bus or you're watching me by a waterfall, look around you and notice the beauty that is around you and fall in love with it. Truly appreciate its beauty. For example, right now there is sunlight coming through the window. There is the breeze moving the trees. There are birds singing. There are people on the street. My lungs are working. My voice is working. To be able to appreciate this, the beauty of this is what causes true feelings of appreciation in the moment. And when you keep doing that, your vortex will become so full of love and appreciation without anything good happening in your life. See, we struggle with gratitude because we don't know what to give gratitude for. We may not see anything good happening in our life. But if you can learn to see the magic and beauty of this present moment, you're building a vortex of love in your heart, and that is going to attract so much more love in your experience, thus guaranteeing you an absolutely transformed life in the next 30 days. Now, what have we done is over this past few minutes, I have shown you how you can absolutely transform your life using these 5 habits, these 5 inner shifts that will guaranteed work every single time if you truly do this precisely and you follow the rules. So what were the 5? The first one was to practice tomorrow, today. Second one is to ask the universe to show you how loved you are. The third one is to have an inner bath. The fourth one is to take the attitude that whatever happens to me is just my past thoughts, past karmas, burning away, it's over, it's out of my system. And the fifth one is to absolutely fall in love with the present moment. If you want to get further details on how to go deeper into this process, you can check out the 4-hour resource, a live class, How to Change Your Life in Less than 6 months. And if you hung out with us for this entire video, firstly, thank you so much for having joined me. I hope you found some value here. If you liked any one of these points or you're going to practice these habits, tell me which one really resonated with you below. Let me know which one it was. Share this video with somebody who needs their life to glow up. Also, if you like videos like this, like it so I have a reflection. I know what you think about the video. And subscribe if you want more videos to help you shift your life. And if there's anything you want me to make a video on that will make your life much better, please let me know that in the comments as well. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all in another video. Namaste.